Hello, I'm Lucy Jennings from the Creativity Patch. Come along with me and let's do some happy weaving. I'm going to be showing you how to warp this tiny little loom. It's a loom that I sell on my website, The Creativity Patch. If you'd like to get one, the link is in the show notes. Now when we wind the warp, we start at one end and we wind around to the other. When we're all finished, we tie it right in the middle. The string that I use for the warp is called 8/4 cotton carpet warp. It's nice and smooth and strong. So I'm just turning it over to the back side. That's where the little logo is, but it doesn't really matter that much which side is which. You want to have enough string so that you can tie it together in the center. So it's better to have a little too much than too little. That ought to do it. I'm going to hold it down with my thumb. If you find that kind of hard to do, just tape it down. I'm just going to wind around. It's important to wind it as tightly as you can. The tighter the warp, the more easy it is to weave. And now that I'm all done winding the warp, I'm going to keep the tension while I cut the string off. And then I'm going to tie it in the center. Now, if you've got an extra pair of hands to hold down the knot for you, that's great. I don't, so I'm just going to hold it with my finger and tie the knot nice and tight. A little tricky, but it can be done. And one extra knot, just for good measure. And then I cut it off, nice and neat. Now I'm going to turn it over. And the final step is to insert the dowel to lift up the warp threads. That makes it much easier to weave up and down. In the next video, I'll show you how to get started weaving. See you there! If you'd like to learn more about weaving, subscribe to my channel. And be sure to check out my website, The Creativity Patch. There's lots more things to learn there, and I've got some really fun weaving kits. See you there, and happy weaving!